Winning never tasted better. Purchase any 2-liter Coca-Cola product for a chance to win up to $20 cash.
Come in here. Come in here. It's Monday. Okay, we don't talk about this weather real quick because let's just address the fact that I live in Atlanta and I look like I'm going skiing, okay? I needed something to protect the eyes from the wind, goggles it is, and I needed a fur. Yeah, it's 24. Okay, it's 40, but it was 24 degrees earlier. It's cold, cold, cold. If you know Atlanta, it's never that cold. Anyways, I'm not here for that. I'm not here for that. I'm here because we have a new internet nephew. So it's cold and I want to warm you guys up a little with an amazing little story. Okay, so a couple of weeks ago, maybe a month now, I was on Instagram minding my business, scrolling, and a post came up on my, just showed up on my page for you, showed up on my page. And it was an adorable little entrepreneur named Kingston. So him and his mom and dad own a farm where they rescue animals. They're fantastic people, but even better, they're raising this amazing little human, and his name is Kingston. And Kingston makes products and sells them. So I needed a product from Kingston. So I went ahead, let me turn it this way, and I purchased myself his number one selling item, which is this little item. Oh, it came with a card. Kingston's Workshop. Kingston's Workshop. And it has his initials. I thought it was the best little thing ever. First of all, he's so smart. He's kind. He is, you have to go watch his videos. He has a video up and he's ordering from a drive-thru. I believe it's his sister. It's so cute. He's just trying his best. You got to go watch the video. So cute. Anyhow, he was so appreciative of his very first order. And I thought, you know what? We all going to order from Kingston. We all going to order. So this is, if you're wondering, it's a phone holder. And I've got the double because I've got multiple phones. So you're laying in bed, you prop your phone in there, and now you don't have to hold it. You could film your content. It's so cute. You could put your if you're just putting it up for the night, put your tablet here or your multiple phones, put it upside down and charge your phone for the night. What? I love it. Put it this way if you're on a plane and you want to watch your shows and you don't want to hold it. Put it, it's just the most creative thing. Let's support Kingston, Kingston's Workshop. Yeah.